Hi everyone. If your photos are too bright or too dark, this video is for you. The metering system inside the camera measures the brightness of a scene to determine the proper exposure settings, that is, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, the three pillars of exposure triangle. If you want to learn more about exposure triangle, watch this video of mine. Metering tells the camera how dark or bright the scene is, so it can decide how much light reaches the sensor. The goal is to produce a properly exposed image, neither too dark or too bright. Your camera metering is designed to achieve a proper exposure by rendering every scene as mid gray, 18% gray, a tonal midpoint between pure white and pure black. And this is why it underexposes a snowy scene, trying to render the snow into an 18% gray and also overexposing a black subject. Understanding this principle is the key to using exposure compensation, telling the camera the scene should be lighter or darker than this mid-gray. To learn more about exposure compensation, you can watch this video of mine here. Modern cameras offer several metering modes, each suitable for a different lighting condition. The first mode is spot metering. In spot metering, camera measures a very small area of the frame, something between 2 to 3%. Spot metering is used for high contrast scenes or when you want a precise exposure of a very small subject. Spot metering usually is used for highly contrast scenes or when you want a precise exposure on a small subject. It is very suitable for stage performance, for wildlife, and especially for macro photography. Center weighted is the second metering mode. It measures the light across from the entire scene, but it gives more importance to the center of the frame. It is ideal when you compose and place your subject in the middle of the scene, and ideal for shooting portraits, especially headshots, and in controlled environments such as in a studio. The third mode is matrix. It divides the scene into many zones and analyzes brightness, color, and contrast. And it is suitable for general photography, portrait, and landscape. Some high-tech cameras offer another metering mode. It's called highlighted centered metering. What it does, it gives the priority to the bright parts of your scene. And by protecting the highlights, it prevents overexposure. It helps protect highlights in very difficult lighting conditions, and it doesn't let any kind of clipping. Therefore, it prevents the loss of details in bright parts of the scene. It mostly used in concerts, events, and scenes with bright lights. So without any further ado, let's go out and take some shots. And also we're gonna take a look at the metering modes on Nikon Z6 III. The metering system inside the camera is a reflected type of metering, meaning that the camera measures the light that is reflected from the wall. There's another type of metering that is incident metering, and when you use incident metering, it measures the light source and it's more precise and accurate. So without any further ado, let me take some shots of this wall, and then after I'm done, we're going to go back to my computer and I'm going to show you how the reflected metering inside the camera affects your exposure. To set the camera for the proper metering mode, go to Menu, Photo Shooting menu, and go to Metering, and you can choose Matrix Metering, Center Weighted, Spot, and Highlight Weighted Metering. There's an easy way to change your metering. Instead of going through the menu every time, what you can do, you can add it to your iMenu. And if you don't know how to do that, watch my video on iMenu on YouTube. Just by going to the iMenu, you can change your metering mode easily. To use exposure compensation, just push the plus and minus sign button on the top of the camera, and by turning the wheel, the back wheel, you can add to the exposure, or you can just decrease the exposure of your image, and you can do it up to minus and plus 5 stop on Nikon Z6 III. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Hope it was useful, and if you liked it, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every Monday or Tuesday. I post a new video every week on Monday or Tuesday, and by subscribing you won't miss any of them. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment. I'll be more than happy to answer it. As usual, take good care, keep shooting, and I see you soon. Cheers.